Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily January 29th. Hey, we got a couple of items here on the docket, and we'll start off with the weekly jobless claims. So last week we saw 308,000 people apply for unemployment. That was like the third week in a row that we had over 300. Forecast was supposed to taper down to 296. We had this unbelievably low unemployment at 265, so 265,000 people applying for unemployment. That's the lowest number we've seen in quite some time. So great start to the day here. On the other hand, we got the pending home sales for the month of December. November was actually initially it was at 0.8. It was reduced to 0.6 increase for pending home sales, and for the month of December, actually, because there's lack of it's being attributed to the lack of inventory out there at a negative 3.7%. But if you look at the year overall, it was actually up around 11%. So it was a good year, just unfortunately bad month due to lack of inventory out there. But good weekly jobless claims, which is very nice. So the stock market started upwards a little bit, especially after yesterday with the FOMC meetings and their announcements. Basically, what's kind of was spooking the markets yesterday, which created a negative, was that it looks like they're still on pace, or at least in the Fed's mind, they're still on pace to maybe raise rates around beginning of the month, like around their June meeting. So that kind of spooked the markets a little bit. Today it kind of wore off a little bit. It was starting up a little bit. It was even kind of mixed. Currently, as I'm doing this, the Nasdaq and S&P were down, but the Dow is working. It started kind of gained a little steam and started to pull back a little bit. So that one could ease down a little bit after the pending home sales coming up. And then we got some earnings reports that are kind of also contributing factors into this market report here. So let's take a look here at the bond market. We had a nice little rally yesterday, had a price improvement. Since yesterday, we were down about 4 basis points. Not really, maybe a slight difference in pricing, but we'll wait and see because a lot of lenders won't have the pricing out until about 9 o'clock, and I'm doing this prior to release of any interest rates. So maybe about the time when the rates come, this will improve a little bit. But as a result, it looks like it could be a good day, a decent day, or at least respectable day for the bond market, as the stock market looks like it will probably take its cue and probably not do so well today, and that will help out interest rates. So be prepared for a little bit better interest rates today as a result of the pending home sales and the forecast and the equities markets. We'll take our cue from there. All right. So hey, did you guys also know that there's a great new grant for first-time home buyers for low to moderate income level first-time home buyers? It's called by Southern California Housing Department. It's actually really nice. It's for Los Angeles County as well as Orange County for first-time home buyers looking in those areas. For LA County, it does exclude the city of LA, but those around in the LA County, it works. It's a 4% grant, so it's money that does not need to be repaid, which is kind of a nice little stipulation to help people to kind of get either cover their closing costs or their down payment. So that's kind of a nice little factor. So if you got any questions about that or would like to go through some pre-approval scenarios, I'd love to be able to help you guys out. I am a loan officer. And also if you guys are looking to refinance, I certainly can help you out with giving you some options in that category as well. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.